In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to earn Steam money using your inventory. We're turning items you already own into Steam wallet funds you can spend on games, DLC, or other in-game items. Start by opening the Steam client. In the top right, click your profile name and choose Inventory. This is where all your accumulated items live, like trading cards, booster packs, and cosmetics from various games. Trading cards drop from playing supported games and are a great place to start because they usually have steady market demand and sell quickly. Foil cards and items tied to popular games often bring in higher returns, so keep an eye out for those. Now, scroll through your inventory and click on an item to see its details. Take a moment to gauge its value. For trading cards, look at the card type and the game's overall popularity. For in-game items like Csgo Skins, popularity and aesthetics can influence price. Prioritize higher value items first to build up your wallet balance faster, but don't ignore common cards. Small sales can add up quickly. If you're unsure about pricing, glance at current market listings to see what similar items are selling for right now. When you're ready to list, click the Sell button on the Items page. Set a competitive amount in the Buyer Pays field. Steam automatically shows what you'll receive after fees, so make sure the final amount makes sense for you. Matching or slightly undercutting the current lowest listing can help your item move faster. Once you're comfortable with the price, confirm with OK, put it up for sale. For higher value items, you'll be prompted to confirm the listing through the Steam mobile app. This extra step helps protect your account and ensures only you can approve sales. To keep track of everything, head to the Community Market from your profile menu. Here you can monitor active listings, see recent sales, and adjust prices if needed. If your item isn't selling, a small price tweak often does the trick. When a sale completes, funds minus Steam's fee are automatically deposited into your Steam wallet. From there, you can buy games, DLC, or even new items to flip. A simple strategy is to reinvest during big sales, buy items when prices dip, then resell later when demand rebounds. Start small, learn typical price ranges, and avoid overpricing. Steady, realistic listings tend to sell the fastest. That's it. Thanks for watching.